All right, guys, in this next series here, we want to look at the way that we're running cover three. So, this is a cluster of plays for cover three zone coverage. It's not bad here. I like what he's doing. Underneath the number one. Let's see what it looks like from the other angle. So we're going to Brave here, which is our 4-2-5, but we're still running cover three out of it. Up top up here, I wanted to get a jam. You're inside of him. He's coming to you. I want you to take up through his shoulder. Stop that release there. See what happens on the front. Good job by the tackle. Good motor right here. It's a good player. It's a good football player. Great job. I think they're trying to down block on him. He beats the down block with his ball get off. Okay. They try to block back on him with the center. See what the corner's up to. Not bad. I'll take it. It's a good job all around. So it's a new series, cover three. I think that might have been. No, that was out of Dakota. So it's 3-3 stack cover three. Getting there. See, we get physical. Let's see how physical he gets. I want more, but he did at least impede him. Good pursuit coming. Hey, I gotta take it. I will take it. So we had about 4-2-5. We had Brave there. Run read. Good run read there. Way to fill that hole. Way to put those pads on him. Great job. The linebacker got to go forward, young man. Got to go forward. Downhill. See what my line has got going on. Watching you. Okay. Not bad. I'll take it. I think it was a pretty good job on the D line, keeping linebackers clean. Okay, let's go to the neutral. So the situation is we should have had him all the way down there where he is now. I don't know why he's going rogue and is doing his own thing, but he should not be aligned on the hash like that. Maybe he calls himself disguising it. I don't know. It's a good tackle right there. I wish that he would get hands here. Squeeze down the line of scrimmage. It's a good football play. So what we're saying here is he reads run fast and is going either here or here to fill the alley. So let's find out what it looks like. Cover 3. The free safety to fill the alley. Good. Come down, make a secure tackle. See, filling the alley, I don't want to see safeties go lateral sideways. I want to see him dig his feet in the ground and go straight downhill to that ball carrier's inside hip. Good job of the outside linebacker, strong safety here, forcing that play inside, using his hands, making him cut back to the pursuit. I needed more out of him. This linebacker. Get off. Get off. Gotta use your hands, linebacker. Use your hands to get his hands off you. That's why I believe in wrestling. They do that to you in wrestling, it's going to be automatic that you learn that you can get your butt whipped. Line left end, make sure you contain. You'll be looping. Find out what's going on in cover 3. Alignment wise, I would rather he be up a little closer. Try to get that jam quicker. No, nothing. Didn't touch him. I don't like that. I do not like that at all. And it results in a positive play. But we got no rerouting across the board here. Nobody's using their hands right now. Boom. He should have been here. This guy that's opening up or this guy that's opening up should be putting hands on him. He should be putting hands on him. I don't like it when they're running clean through the defense. That's not what it was designed to be like at all. Don't come out of coverage. Do not do this, linebacker. Don't come out of coverage right here. That's why my lineman should be containing him. That's where we went wrong in this play. He should be coming and pursuing this way. Dip, right there. That's where we went wrong. Right when the end is down in there where the center is. We just lost him. Linebacker didn't come out of coverage. We just lost him. Good throw. Good scramble. But my end should be coming outside of here. He should be pursuing outside of here. And if he's doing that, that kid rolls to where he is. He rolls to him for a sec. Cannot allow this to happen. Nose guard getting ran back into. Straight up in the air. God awful. I think that was the defensive end making that play. This guy right out here. Let's see. Squeeze straight down the line of scrimmage. Oh, good job. Just like we practiced it. Right there. Just how we practice it. Down block. I want to get more hands on that tackle. Let's see it from a different view. We should be looking right here. You get a down block here. I want you to put your hands on him. Chase the line of scrimmage. Oh, beautiful. Outstanding. Let me look at that one more time. Want to get hands on him so he can't get up to the linebacker and chase down the line of scrimmage. A lot of times that's going to be a fumble. Great job. So that's going to end our cover 3 session for part 1. And we'll be looking at what cover 3 looks like for part 2 in just a moment.